Welcome to Rethinking Prehistory. Today, we're diving into groundbreaking discoveries that are completely reshaping our understanding of Neanderthals. Forget the outdated image of primitive cave dwellers. New evidence reveals a species with remarkable cognitive abilities and technological ingenuity, much closer to our own than previously thought. Let's start with a fascinating find from early 2024 concerning Neanderthal superglue. Researchers examining stone tools from the Levallois site in France, dating back as far as 120,000 years, found clear evidence of a complex, multi-component adhesive. This wasn't just simple tree sap. They were mixing ochre and bitumen to create a malleable, sticky substance. This is the earliest known use of such a sophisticated adhesive in Europe. What's really impressive is the recipe. The mixture contained more than 50% ochre. This specific formulation made the adhesive sticky enough to secure stone tools to handles, or even to be molded into grips, yet it was less sticky to the skin, making it easier to handle during tool production. Microscopic wear patterns on these tools confirm they were indeed used with these grips. Think about the cognitive skills this implies. Forward planning to gather specific, sometimes distant, raw materials. Complex problem-solving to experiment with and understand the properties of ochre and bitumen, and abstract thought to conceptualize the multi-step process and the final product. This adhesive technology is actually comparable to that used by early Homo sapiens in Africa, suggesting similar thought patterns and cognitive capabilities between our two groups. But their technological prowess didn't end there. Let's talk about their mastery of stone tool production, known as lithics. For hundreds of thousands of years, Neanderthals employed the Levallois technique. This method involves meticulously preparing a stone core to strike off flakes of a predetermined size and shape. It's like 3D printing, but with stone, and all in the mind's eye. A 2025 study dug even deeper, challenging the idea that the flake's shape was just a result of the core's initial geometry. Through carefully controlled experiments, researchers found that Neanderthals had incredibly precise control over the angle at which they struck these stone cores, the angle of blow. They weren't just mindlessly hammering away. This implies advanced motor coordination, the ability to make dynamic decisions in the moment, adapting their technique on the fly, and an enhanced working memory to juggle all these factors. Some researchers even link these refined abilities to the potential for linguistic capabilities. And while we often focus on stone tools, Neanderthal technology wasn't limited to just that. Growing evidence shows they skillfully utilized bone and wood as well. Discoveries of wooden digging sticks and spears, which require complex shaping and an understanding of material mechanics, further bolster the case for their advanced intellect. Recent analytical methods have also uncovered a richer bone tool industry than previously assumed, challenging the old notion that this was a major cognitive gap between Neanderthals and early modern humans. So what does all this mean? These findings collectively paint a picture of Neanderthals as highly intelligent and adaptable hominins. Their tool innovations demonstrate complex cognition, the ability to plan, problem solve, and think abstractly. The skills and knowledge for these complex technologies were likely shared and passed down within Neanderthal groups, indicating cultural transmission. And they showed remarkable behavioral flexibility, adapting their techniques and creating new solutions to meet their needs. The stereotype of Neanderthals as primitive is crumbling. Instead, we're seeing a species with cognitive abilities much closer to our own, capable of significant technological innovation. The ongoing study of their tools continues to provide crucial insights into the evolution of the human mind, showing us that our ancient cousins were far more sophisticated than we ever gave them credit for. Thanks for tuning in to Rethinking Prehistory.